Today, we're going to bring a brushless paint sprayer. Now, this one's a 10x faster than usual applications. Now, this one comes with a couple options, all right? You got your actual filter in here because I'm going to explain to you. You do have to add thinner or make sure you buy paint that is made for spray, right? Now, if you're not aware about that, this thing's not going to work very well. Just make sure you do that. Now, to pass the test, this is actually to fill in your paint here, and then to thin it out will be the mesh here too, or to put it back into the bucket too. Also, you could use these, all right? These are very necessary because when you're painting, you got to thin down the actual paint so it could have the flow. They give you plastics, all right, for you won't make a mess. Make sure before and after you use, clean it up, right? Now, first time using it, you don't have to clean it up, but after using it, you have to clean it up. They give you an actual brush in here. They give you shorted nozzles, all right? Because there's different spray levels that they have, all right? And of course, the actual spray gun. Now, battery is not included. You're going to have to include your own battery, all right? And then, of course, this is the lock-in mechanism that ties in together.